Take shit when it gets up balls. They don't think that's a ball. If it ain't got to know. If it ain't got to know. It's national. It's national. It's a fuck with federal. Pace with that, no, not my pace with decimals. Counting pace with decimals, but you still spin breath.
What's up, people? Today I'm going to finally start shaping this shortboard that I've been wanting to shape for a while. I traced this board, 510 cream squash tail thruster, like my favorite shortboard, so I wanted to try to make a board that's a similar shape to this, and we're gonna see if we can hand shape this bad boy. Vintage foam. The foam is from an old single fin gun from like the 70s, and I'm gonna turn it into a modern shortboard. I don't have the proper tools, but I have a little plane and this thing for shaving down the foam, and this and a pencil. Also not ideal. Hopefully we end up with a shreddable shortboard. Graphite. I traced the tail of that cream board. hits you with lemons and you just gotta squeeze them into your corneas and just absorb all that citrus. I didn't measure anything really, I just eyeballed it, and nothing is professional and nothing is perfect. I like how thick it is right now. Maybe I'll go thinner, but I enjoy the thickness of my twig. Next time I'm gonna be refining the shape and do all that jazz.